Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the moving average displaced envelope. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the moving average displaced envelope. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested a total of 27 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 397 indicators with a total of 161 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 161 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the moving average displaced envelope. And you can see it here on screen, and basically what we have is two moving average lines here, and they create a channel. They are moving in tandem with each other, and the way we're going to test this is pretty simple. When we get a price action break to the downside of the bottom moving average, then we are going to go short. When we get a price action break to the upside of the upper moving average, then we are going to go long. So not much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so it looks like we pick up the first signal is going to be right there. It's going to be a short, and looks like it is able to squeeze out, take profit. Then we pick up another signal right here. This one is going to be a long. Looks like we might have gotten stopped out on this pullback right here. Nope. We stayed within our stop, and we see that price action took off nicely there, also getting us to take profit. And just continue forward here. All right, we get a short right there. Play it forward a little bit more here, and that one is also going to get us to take profit. So far we are doing not too bad. Let's see. So it looks like this one right here. Let's just double check the opening of this candle here. The opening is going to be 1.5696, and looks like the moving average was at 1.5690. And so when this candle opened, it opened inside the channel here, and then it closed to the downside, giving us another signal right there to the short side and another winner. So again, not too bad, moving along rather nicely. We pick up a long right there. Not too sure about, let's see, 110 is what we're looking for there. It does look like, yep, right here on this big red candle that pulls back. Unfortunately, that one gets us stopped out just barely at that. That's a shame. We were doing pretty nicely there, but then we also pick up a long right there. The very next candle comes back out, breaks out above there, closes above that upper moving average, and that one gets us to take profit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some of the video out here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, then you will get access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platform quite a bit, that'd be a very handy list for you to have. Our admin and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, a new thing that I've been doing here recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so it shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers. It shows their win rates, as well as links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that full list, as well as the full list of indicators that we've tested that shows exactly which ones were winners and losers and their win rates as well. And so you get a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's see. Everything in focus here. Let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winners. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria. Not too bad at all. And so I do like this one when it comes to using lines with price action. Then this is by far the best way to do it, to keep you from getting chopped out in and out of trades. And so that seems to be the single biggest problem that we have with using a single line or a single baseline interacting with price action, is that for those of you who've seen my moving average videos, then you know that getting pinballed in and out of the trades is the number one cause of losing trades and a losing indicator. And so you can see how just adding a little bit of buffer in between the two lines can create a tremendous difference. So this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.